What's up guys, Nick here. Today, I'm going to be talking about Nepenthes. So first off, what are Nepenthes? Well, Nepenthes is a genus of carnivorous plants native to Southeast Asia, Madagascar, and Australia. These plants have the greatest biodiversity in Borneo, Sumatra, and the Philippines. Nepenthes are more commonly known as monkey cups, or tropical pitcher plants. In my research, I found there to be approximately 70 accepted species of Nepenthes. However, there are countless hybrids. In fact, there's roughly 180 to 190 natural hybrids resulting from species that grow in close proximity. There are also currently 255 cultivars of Nepenthes, meaning hybrids deliberately created by man. So, what's so special about Nepenthes? Well, the reason why most are attracted to Nepenthes is because of their gorgeous pitchers. Now, these pitchers are actually modified leaves. You see, Nepenthes typically grow in acidic and nutrient-poor soils. Some varieties are also epiphytic. Now, these pitcher traps serve to catch live prey or sometimes fecal matter to provide the plant with vital nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. Prey is often attracted to nectar secreted on the underside of the lid, and then the prey may slip and fall from the peristome into the pitcher body. It cannot escape due to downward-facing hairs and slick pitcher sides. The prey then drowns and is digested by enzymes in the pitcher. Now, these plants showcase absolutely gorgeous pitchers with incredible colors, shapes, sizes, and some even have toothy peristomes. My favorite being Nepenthes veitchii, bicalcarata, and edwardsiana. Another awesome fact about Nepenthes is that most varieties experience leaf dimorphism, meaning that they can create two different types of pitchers on the same plant. Now, lower pitchers are near the base of the plant, and they're usually larger and more bulbous for catching terrestrial insects. Then, there's distinct upper pitchers, which form as the plant grows taller and reaches maturity. Now, these are usually smaller and may look different. Now, these different pitchers may help attract different types of prey. Additionally, the upper tendrils may help the plant vine and maintain stability by wrapping around nearby things like other plants. Now, what role do Nepenthes play in actual ecosystems? Well, they act as predators of small insects and even some mammals in various ecosystems. They're also prey for some herbivores. Nepenthes also help recycle nutrients in nitrogen-poor soils by converting animal waste and matter into nutrients. Additionally, the fluid inside the pitchers is its own microhabitat that supports bacteria, protozoa, and larvae that live inside. Moreover, Nepenthes also provide nectar for pollinators like moths and butterflies when they flower. Another really cool fact, to end it off, is that some species of Nepenthes even have mutualistic relationships with small mammals. For example, Nepenthes lowii produces a nectar laxative that is a food source for mountain tree shrews. So while the tree shrews are eating this nectar, they defecate into the pitchers, providing the plant with nutrients. Now, a similar situation occurs with Nepenthes hemsleyana and woolly bats. Now, the bats roost in these pitchers, and they supply the pitchers with their guano, or excrement. Now, I hope you had a fun time learning about Nepenthes, and I hope this encourages you to maybe get into keeping some of your own. See you on the next one.